In this tutorial, we'll be using PyMuPDF4LLM, which is designed to simplify text extraction from PDFs and is specifically developed for LLM and retrieval-augmented generation applications. First, make sure PyMuPDF4LLM is installed. Now, the library can be imported. Let's start with a text-only extraction. Using the method to Markdown, the text is exported to Markdown format. Note that it is possible to specify which pages of the document to extract. Here is the result. As you can see, the text is extracted into Markdown format. Plain Markdown text is not ideal for LLM applications. Retrieval-augmented generation applications require the extracted content to be in smaller chunks that are suitable for storage in vector databases. PyMuPDF4LLM can also extract content other than text. We will use the same to Markdown method again, but this time the parameter page chunks is set to true. In this case, the method returns a list of dictionaries. Depending on the size of the document, one or more chunks are returned. In addition to text content, each one of them also contains metadata, table of content items, tables, and image coordinates, all of which can enrich the application's context. Images are identified, and their coordinates are included in the dictionary. Each recognized table will also have its coordinates added in the respective chunk. In the previous operation, no images were extracted. To extract images, the Write Images parameter must be set to true. Additionally, other parameters like image format, DPI, or the file path to save the extracted images can be selected. By doing so, the images will be saved in the specified folder. The image files are being created in the specified target folder. The ability to extract images from the file enables their use in multimodal LLM applications, adding an extra layer of functionality and versatility. Let's use pathlib to check the folder where the images have been exported. Additionally, you can embed images directly into the Markdown text as base 64 encoded strings using the Embed Images parameter. This approach integrates the images into the Markdown file, but it will increase the file size and does not allow for saving the images separately. To further enrich the metadata, we can use the extract words parameter. This will include a list of words ordered in the reading sequence associated with each specific chunk, complete with coordinates, just like the tables and images. This includes words inside table cells and multiple columns. Subscribe for more PyMuPDF tutorials.